joining us and contributing to the success of the PYCL.
Macy Ibanez attacking Diana Hughes here. Diana trying to play it against Erin. Trying to surprise Cayetano. Cayetano with... Oh! What I'm noticing so far here, Cayetano really just pick kung ano yung shots na magwo-work for her or her playing style, no?
7-4, Fortress Masters leading.
Macy attacking. Macy with an overhead.
The Lady Tower seeing that opportunity, smashing it down the middle. Let's see that in instant replay.
That setup there.
Hindi pala siya down the middle towards Diana.
Another thing we'd see here on screen, Erin Chua matching skirts with Macy Ibanez. Yeah, even the colorway, they had matching shoes. Kaya nga sabi namin ni Jay,
Best
parang
buds.
couple shoes sila eh.
Baka best buds shoes yun.
Yeah.
Self dun sa snap nung kanyang mga smashes kasi dapat hindi na bumalik yan. Wala nang chance for defense. And Ibanez in pickleball. Amazing.
I just realized here, Lira and Ken Unique de la Cruz have a very similar playing style. But waiting for a ball that's actually attackable. But patience also plays a role here to what Lira and Ibanez was doing. Lira was on the attack and Macy Ibanez was on the baseline.
Shots nila. Most of it is really instinctive. Kumbaga, ito yung mga triangle offense, yung mga usual flow that you see on advanced to pro level that they usually train with. Kaya alam na nila kung saan papupuntahin at paano tatamaan.
You're also prone to commit an error given the fact that you're playing a very specific angle. Which is what we saw from Cayetano. The ball slightly went up, no? High spinny serve there by Ibanez.
Running drive by Ken Unique. Ang tataas ng volley pero walang pumipick up ng ano dito, ng flick or anything.
Now Unique playing it against Lira.
Everybody's careful with their volleys.
Ooh. Now with our women's doubles pair, we have Macy Ibanez and Erin Chua up against Diana Hughes and Jen Cayetano. Diana Hughes testing the range of Macy Ibanez here.
Kita backhand ko sige, bigay nyo dito.
We're now seeing Macy's game face paired with Ken Unique de la Cruz and seeing how dynamic their movements are paired together. Boloto making an attack